Chord etude number 2. This is another one of Bill's beautiful chord etudes that is both a strengthener for the hand, recognition of chord forms that you have already played. Here we have a C and a C7, a C major 7 to a C7. We have an F chord. And so you're reading chords without symbols. At the beginning it says rubato, freedom of tempo. Remember in chord etude 1 I played it slowly and freely, and that's actually rubato. I still want you to play with some sense of tempo, and then at sometimes you can retard or accelerate as you wish. So now I'll play chord etude and we'll talk more about it after I play it. This is a hard piece to play legato, and I remember Bill always stressing to practice these chord etudes very legato. If you notice the first measure, we have C to D minor, and then we have a B. Now my first inclination would be to play both B's in that measure open, just open string. But Bill puts a third finger for that B so that you strengthen your hand and you learn to play legato. So it's like this. And it goes back to the C chord. That's a very difficult position for me, and I've had to work at that, and I expect that you will have some problems with that. So just at first, even skip the B and go C, B, D minor, hold the 2 beats, then go to the C chord. Then add the B. Okay? When you're playing these chords in chord etude, you will recognize that you've played these chords already. The last measure in the first line, we have a C major 7 to a C7. We have those chord diagrams or chord pictures on page 68. We've already played this C7 from this root 5 major 7 chord, root 5 dominant 7th chord. So when you're playing these, not only you see the notes in the chords, but you can also picture the chords and see the forms that we have in our chord pictures, as Bill alludes to on the bottom of the page. And I actually call them chord diagrams, C major 7 to C7.